Got a lot of folks in town for a huge Longhorn game tomorrow morning.
I know. A lot going on this weekend.
Yeah.
There's the Livestrong 5K and then also Dogtoberfest, which we talked about earlier. So a lot of people interested in the weather forecast. For this evening, we are just looking at a lot of cloud cover right now. Here's a live look from the Hill Country camera. We have mostly cloudy skies across central Texas, and as we go through the rest of the evening, temperatures are going to stay fairly mild just because of the moisture in the air and all of this cloud cover. Right now, we're at 84 degrees. By 8 p.m., we'll dip down to right only 80. 10 p.m. tonight into the mid-70s. It's going to be a pretty mild start to your Saturday morning. Right now, temperatures upper 70s in the Hill Country in places like Burnet, Mason, Fredericksburg, still low 80s as you head east into Georgetown and San Marcos, and then mid-80s in places like Giddings and Bastrop this evening. Right now, partly cloudy and 84 at Camp Mabry, 86 out at ABIA. Winds are out of the south and a bit breezy out at the airport. We've had a nice breeze all day long today. That's going to continue into your Saturday as well. Now, unfortunately, with all the moisture in the air, mold has climbed to a count of over 2,000. That's higher than yesterday. Ragweed stayed in that medium category. Tomorrow, mold will still stay high. Ragweed could drop a little bit, especially if we see showers and thunderstorms. Now, across the state, temperature is much cooler back towards the Panhandle. It's only 69 right now in Lubbock, 67 in Amarillo. They're behind a bit of a dry line there. A lot more moisture as you head east. That's why temperature's still in the low to mid 80s across the state. Satellite radar shows that we had a few showers earlier this morning, but they just left behind some cloud cover through the afternoon. We're now tracking this area of a bit stronger storm activity over North Texas. A tornado watch in effect for that area of the state until 10 p.m. tonight. Those storms have been severe with some hail and some high winds associated with them. No tornadic activity right now. Some of those starting to pull further south. We won't see any of that sort of activity today, but we could possibly see a few stronger storms through the afternoon tomorrow, and it's all due to this upper level low that's spinning off over western Kansas. Now, in the upper levels of the atmosphere, that low is going to stay well toward north, but we're going to track little waves of energy in these areas of yellows and greens rolling through the state all the way through Sunday. That's what gives us our chance for rain. And we're going about a 30% chance for rain both on your Saturday and Sunday. So let's go hour by hour through your forecast. Tonight, we'll continue to see maybe a spotty shower here. They're mainly west of our area. As we go through the early morning hours, a few spotty showers are possible as well. Overcast skies to start out early on your Saturday. But by the late morning hours, this is when we start to see our chance for rain increasing, especially out to the west over the Hill Country. We could see a few showers, thunderstorms developing. As we go through the afternoon hours and into the evening hours, the Storm Prediction Center has put us in a slight risk of severe weather right across central Texas and then out towards the Hill Country as well. Our main concerns with this, with a few isolated storms, could be some hail up to about 1.5 inches and high winds over 60 miles an hour. But they'll be pretty few and far between. Those storms will be very isolated in nature. As we go through your Sunday, not really a chance for any severe weather, but we could see a few more thunderstorms through the afternoon hours, mainly east of I-35. Now tonight, temperatures are, like I said, going to stay mild with all of our cloud cover. We'll see temperatures upper 60s in the Hill Country, low 70s here in the metro area, all along our eastern counties as well. For tomorrow, highs a little bit warm again in the upper 70s and low 80s across the board, even with that chance for rain. If you're heading to the UT football game tomorrow, kickoff 11 a.m. of course, 76 degrees is going to be your temperature, but we're tracking that 30% chance for showers, maybe a thunderstorm or two. Winds will be at its house. So if you're heading to the game, you might want to take your poncho with you, especially as we go through the late afternoon hours. Now tonight, 70 here in Austin, overcast skies. For tomorrow, mostly cloudy conditions for much of the day, 82. There's that chance for a shower or thunderstorm through the afternoon, late morning, afternoon hours. Chance of rain continues into your Sunday. Temperatures, though, much warmer, 87 your afternoon high. And it's going to be hot Monday and Tuesday as we don't really dry out so much, but we see more sunshine both Monday and Tuesday. Temperatures upper 80s. We have a small chance of rain again on Wednesday and Thursday as a cold front moves into the region. That will finally bring us some drier air late in the week and some cooler conditions.